Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 6a. Now this phone right now is on sale for $299. So basically Google just undercut the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro and the Google Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro by $300. So if you're in the market for a brand new phone, uh, the Google Pixel 7 is out right now. The regular vanilla version of the Pixel 7 is $599. This phone you can get right now for $299, literally half price. So when I saw this deal, I jumped on it. Now, this phone was, on sale for, I guess, retail for $449, and at $449, I still think it was a little too steep, but at $299, I think this might be one of the best buys of the year right now. So I got this one on Amazon. Actually, my version here is renewed. I got this one for $225. And I told you guys I never pay full retail price. Even when the phone is on sale, I still will not pay the actual retail price of the phone. So once this went on sale for $299, I started looking it up. And I found this one for $224.99. So it's like $225. I think with tax, it came out to about $247, $250. And I think at that price point, I think this is going to be an excellent, excellent value. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. And here we have the Google Pixel 6a. Now, I got the green version. They call it Sage. All right, let's go see what's in here. So it's the device. And what else is in the box? All right, so they do have a adapter here, so that's good. SIM ejection tool, and it's a Type-C to Type-C. So, all right, so not much here as far as unboxing is concerned. It doesn't have a charger. That's pretty typical right now with all the new devices that are coming out. I don't know why, but they want you to, I guess, buy their own fast charger. This phone, I think, charges at 18 watts. So let's go ahead and see what kind of power is in here right now. All right, so we got the power button up here, and we have the volume and rocker down here. Now, a lot of people have been complaining about the power button being so high and the volume rocker being so high and low. Those people are just, to be honest with you, I think some people just want to have a gripe about something and they find a reason to complain. Don't listen to them. There's nothing wrong with the placement of these buttons here at all. Actually, they're perfectly placed. When you think about it, this phone is only 6.1 inches. So I think this is a perfect spot for a power button and a volume rocker button. Now, I think what people are complaining about is they're so close together that you can end up hitting the power button instead of the volume button. Oh well. It's just something, that takes getting used to. So I had already set up this phone before, so let's go ahead and start it up. All right, let me go ahead and just put my pin in here. One more time. Now, one thing I've noticed about this device is how responsive the fingerprint sensor is. When I had the Pixel 6, I had it for about a week, and I returned it. It had so many bugs. It was glitching. It was crashing. The fingerprint sensor wasn't working. On this phone, you're not going to have that problem. Just check this out. So what's really good is if the phone's just laying down here, all you have to do is pick it up and then just tap the fingerprint sensor, boom, opens up. All right, just go ahead. So it's got lift to wake, all right? So let's go ahead and do that again. There we go. Let's do it one more time. It works every single time. Way better than the last Pixel 6. Now, I'm sure that the Pixel 7 has improved that, but as far as I'm concerned, I prefer this one than the Pixel 6. And I know people are going to say, oh, the Pixel 6 is a flagship. Well, let me tell you something. This phone has the same Tensor processor that's in the Pixel 6. So basically, when people are saying, oh, the Pixel 6 is a flagship, and this is a mid-grade phone, a mid-range phone, well, what makes this a mid-range phone? The fact that it doesn't have a 90 hertz refresh rate. And to be honest with you, the 60 hertz on this phone is absolutely fine. Anybody that complains about the refresh rate will not notice it unless somebody tells them about a refresh rate. Now, let's say if you're an iPhone user, and unless you have the Pro Max version, you're not even going to know what a refresh rate is. You're not even going to understand what's the difference between a 60 hertz, a 90 hertz, and 120 hertz. You know, most people that are regular users, they don't pay attention to this kind of stuff. So when someone says, oh, the refresh rate's only 60 hertz, but guess what? So what? There's nothing wrong with 60 hertz. For example, let me show you guys something funny. This is the iPhone SE 2020, right? Now, side by side, take a look at these two phones. Now, this has the IPS panel. This has a lower resolution. This one has a 1080, right? Apple got away with selling this phone for $450, right? Now, this phone was retailing at $450. Now, this phone is still a better value phone than this one at $450. At $299, this is the best phone you can buy right now for $300 and below. So I think the sale for this phone is going to keep going till I think November 6th. So if you're in need of a new phone, there's no reason not to get this one. If you don't want to spend too much money, I'm sure that the Pixel 7 is a better phone. I'm pretty sure that the Pixel 7 Pro is a better phone. But you have to understand, you're also going to be paying $300 more. Or in this case, if you want these 7 Pro, you're going to be paying $600 more. So you can literally buy 3 of these for the price of, you know, one 7 Pro. Now, as far as the cameras, it's still using the 12 megapixel ultra wide, and I believe the 12 megapixel wide with the 8 megapixel front selfie camera. So let's go ahead and take a picture here. Just give me a second here. Let me take a picture of this plant. All right, point and shoot. All right, look at that. And the processing time right now is a lot faster than it was on my previous Pixel 5. So take a look at that. I mean, this is detailed, and you can't really tell in the viewfinder, but trust me, this picture is lit. The colors are popping. Like I said, you can't really tell when I'm recording, but the photo is excellent. Let's take another one. All right, let's just take it here, right here. 1 second. 1, 2, 3. All right, it's a little close up here. And here we go again. Now, another cool feature here is that it has the magic eraser. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Now, I found a picture here that I screenshotted before. So let's see, you want to do magic eraser? Okay, we're going to go ahead and edit this. Press edit. And then go to tools. And right here where it says magic eraser, we're going to erase this person right here, right? So we're just going to tap on this and just wait, and then just circle them out, and then done. And look at that. Look at that. Look how cool that is. So you're getting the same Pixel 7 features that you are on the Pixel 6a. All in all, guys, I mean, like I said, I've had this phone for, you know, a few hours, so I really haven't used it all that much, but from what I can tell you, I love the design. I love the weight, 6.1 inches. When I was using the Pixel 6, it just seemed a little too heavy for me, and I'm not a fan of heavy phones. I remember when I had the OnePlus 7 Pro, that phone was one of my favorite phones ever, but one of the reasons that I didn't keep it was because it was just too heavy. This is a pocket-friendly device, and you know, it's easy to hold with one hand. Now, another thing is, I did end up getting a case for it. So let me go ahead and bring the case over so I can go ahead and put that on. You know, a device like this, you know, with the plastic back here, it's going to get fingerprints and it's going to scratch. So you definitely need a case. So I got this case here, and let's see, I'll put the link in the description for the case. I can't even tell you what brand it is. I think that says Zuzi? All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's put this case on here. All right. So I picked this case up for $7 on Amazon, and let's go ahead and open this up here. All right. So here's the case. All right. The case, and it also has. Now, if you want to add this little accessory here so you don't lose your phone and you want to hold on to it, you can add that later. But I'm just going to pop this on right now for now and see how that looks. And wow, okay, look at that. Okay, that looks really, really good now. Now it feels really good in the hand. And also, don't forget, you should actually definitely put a screen protector. This is Gorilla Glass 3, so it's not the Invictus that you see in the the 7 or the 7 Pro. But at the same time, it's still a good scratch resistant glass. It might actually be better for scratch resistance than the Invictus. But I know that the Invictus is better. But at the same time, I mean, I've had phones with Gorilla Glass 3 and I've had no issues. So, at the same time, definitely put a screen protector on here. Now, case is really, really nice, and it does, you know, show off the back panel. And this is why I like these kind of cases here. So, I mean, all in all, man, this is a hell of a phone. I'm going to do a full comparison, full review, compare it to some other devices within this price range. And hope you guys stay tuned for that. Now, if you like this video, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe down below. Until next time, see you then, stay blessed, and take care.